Dito sa Tunog Kabataan, napapakinggan natin ang original compositions ng mga kabataang musikero.
At ngayong umaga, kasama natin ang bandang
Dearest!
So Jackie, what song will you sing for us today?
Our original composition, Time to Go.
Okay, so game, pakinggan na natin sila.
Let's give another round of applause to the band, Dearest! So, ang ganda ng song, sobrang good vibes. Ano pa yung mga comments niya sa sound ko ba?
Actually, wala akong masabi. Lyrics-wise, technical, singling, overall.
Yeah.
Talagang tagos sa puso yun.
Wow! Tsaka mapapansin natin na ang ganda ng harmony niya, yung second voices at yung third voices. So, how do you come about with that kind of arrangement, with your vocal arrangement?
Si Jackie, siya yung gumagawa ng melody. So, yung kadalasan si Miles, siya yung gumagawa ng pinaka-basic na second voice. Tapos, hinahanap ko na lang kung ano yung wala.
Pero importante din na in
voicing para ma-emphasize. Kaya gusto nyo quiet yung moment na yun para ma-emphasize yung lyrics, yung bigat na lyrics. Minsan kailangan walang voicing doon. Minsan gusto nyo pakapalan yung parts ng ibang ng song. Kailangan may voicing na todo.
Dynamics and form. Okay, sama na. Game.
Ayun sa bridge. Swear to God that I didn't know that you didn't know that I did too. Swear to God that I didn't know that you didn't know. Now we look like fools, trying to find a way to make each other stay. We both know it's far too late. Swear to God that I didn't know that I didn't know that I didn't know.
Alright, so what's the message of Time to Go?
Basically, it's about endings and new beginnings. Meron akong personal things na pinagdadaanan. And basically, yung parang way ko para malabas yun, para yung mga emotions ko, nalagay ko lang sa lyrics.
So during that time, were you trying to accept a certain ending or beginning?
I was trying to accept that that I should let go of something. Hindi mo nakikita yung mga ibang bagay na dapat para sa'yo. Tapos, kukunin mo na sana, pero masyadong obsessed ka dito, kaya hindi mo siya malit.
So time to let go.
Time to let go.
Okay, so there we have it. We have the rest for Tunog Kabataan. See you again here. Bye-bye! Time to go!